Alright, so an update on the dryer situation. So I've unplugged it from that hose over there, and I put it over here on the floor. I got a lot of good feedback from people, and they said all you have to really do for now is just unplug it and see how that works. And it works perfectly fine. The air flows out here, gets the garage a little warm, but since it's the winter time, that's okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Still gonna go ahead with the plan, but I'm gonna try and see if I can get some cheaper parts, save up some money maybe. But this is seeming to work okay right now. And as far as a garden update goes, it's raining. So, yeah, that's pretty much it.